Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and very good morning to all of you. I hope you're safe and sound. Welcome to Melly's Telegram classes.
And our today's grammar is about countable and uncountable nouns. گرامر امروز ما درباره اسامی قابل شمارش و غیر قابل شمارش می باشد. Countable nouns refer to anything that we can count. اسامی قابل شمارش به هر آن چیزی که ما بدانیم حساب کنیم اشاره دارد. For example, 2 books. دوتا کتاب. Book is a countable noun. For example, you can say 1 book or a book, or you can say 2 books, 3 books, 10 books, 1,000 books. It's countable. The rest are the same. For example, 1 pen, 10 cars, 5 teachers, 20 students, etc. Uncountable nouns. اسامی غیر قابل شمارش. Uncountable nouns refer to anything that we cannot count. Uncountable nouns به هر آن چیزی که ما نمیتونیم حساب کنیم اشاره دارد. For example, water, ob, it's uncountable. You cannot say 1 water, 2 water, 3 waters. You say water. A glass of water, a jug of water. So it's uncountable. So milk, air, energy, joy, happiness, anger, pain, blood, etc. This brings us to the end of our session for today. ولی دانش آموزان عزیز باید داشته باشید که یک تمرین ضمیمه همین ویدیو شده که بعد از تماشای ویدیو باید انجامش دهید. Thank you and goodbye.